Jungly!
There you go. We're gonna get jungle.
Wait, why am I behaving like that? Oh, well, that's the name of our upcoming Hindi film. Hi, you're watching India TV News Digital. I'm your host Pavni Jain, and today we are in conversation with world's top 10 martial artist and a brilliant actor, Vidyut Jamwal.
Hi, thank you. Great introduction. Jungly.
And also joining us today, we have an amazing Hollywood filmmaker, Chuck Russell. Welcome to the show, sir.
Thank you very much. Glad to be here.
So, the information that I have collected from the trailer, it says it's from the filmmakers of Razi, Badhai Ho, Bareli Ki Barfi, and Talwar. Yes. So, basically, I'm trying to establish that all these films are from different genres. And then we have a filmmaker like Chuck Russell. And on the top of that, it's Vidyut Jamwal. So, I am really curious to know what this film is going to be like in terms of story. So, okay.
It's a big adventure. It's a big family entertainment. It's very jungly, and it's really about coming home to the jungle. And for me, it's about taking Vidyut to the next level with his amazing martial arts and his performance in a real, authentic Indian story.
So, especially seeing you directing this film is very fascinating. From the man coming, films like The Mask and Scorpion King. The Mask is my personal favorite. So, yes. So, give me one reason that made you instantly say yes to this film.
Honestly, the elephants.
Okay.
You know, to work with a real herd of elephants in a safe natural habitat and to create protocols so I knew I would have happy elephants. We were able to create real relationships. Two of the elephants, we developed a screenplay, they're literally members of the cast. So Vidyut in particular created a real bond with Bola, the big tusker, and we took the time before filming to make sure, because for one thing, for safety's sake, but it went further than that. And I like to think it's a little bit because of his martial arts. I've never seen an animal take to a human like this. And so the relationship you see between Bola and Vidyut is a real relationship.
So, Vidyut, I'm starstruck on you. One, yes, I said it.
Thanks, she said it. Thank God.
And two, so when we hear that Vidyut is coming up with a new film, of course, the only thing that comes to our mind is action. But you doing all the action thriller films, still choosing a very different subject is new. So, be it, Force or Commando series or Badshah. So, I have two questions to ask you. So sometimes it becomes monotonous for an actor to do the same genre, but and for his viewers as well. But you don't still fit in, like you, because of the subjects that you choose. So how do you manage to do that? What's your technique of choosing a script?
See, first things first, we need to know that I'm not an insider, like they say. I'm not a part of the film industry. I'm not born in it. So somebody who comes from the outside, it is important. So the first thing is the project you get, it's very important to give in your 200%. It could be a Force where I play the negative lead in it. If you give in your 200%, the results will be very good. Similarly, then I got to work on the Commando series. After that, I had a choice to do a movie which had action, which had comedy, which had romance, and it was a story about friendship and brotherhood. That was Jungly. I was like, I am so lucky to have this. Then, to top it all, I have Chuck Russell, the man who did the obvious. The Mask. He's launched the biggest star of today's world called Dwayne Rock Johnson. So he's the coolest dude. We all look up to him. I like the fact that this man has a vision. He's so clear about how he wants it, why he wants it. So I'm proud to be a part of his vision.
So basically you answered the B part also, where I was about to ask that what's in Jungly. So yes, there's a lot of stunt, there's a lot of drama, there's a lot of friendship and everything. So my new age action hero,
Yes.
please tell me what new did you learn for this film? Because I also read it somewhere that you learned animal flow style of combat. So it was tricky to say. So yeah, what's that and what else?
It is tricky to say. It is even trickier to do it. So the animal flow is a part of the Indian martial art Kalaripayat. It's been there for more than 2,000 years. I'm very glad that Chuck had a vision that he wanted to do something different that the world has not seen. He's watched my movies and he says, I love what you do. But now we need to get the vulnerable side out of you. We need to show people that the way you have a sense of humor. And the action has to be something that has not been seen or visioned. So with the animal movie, that is jungly, with the elephants, with the snakes in the movie, we had to present something which was very jungly. Animal movement, it makes your whole body move. You can imbibe a lot of goodness of the creature that you practice or imitate. So I'm glad that we're presenting it to the whole world. First time on any platform it's coming. I'm very happy.
So, in one of the scenes in the trailer itself, you're sitting on the tusks of the elephants. Is that real? And did you enjoy doing all of that?
Everything that you watch with the animals is real. The only difference of the CGI or the computer graphics is Chuck wanted to shoot everything during the day, even the night shots, because the animals need to be shot in a certain way. They need to be taken care of, respected. Animals normally sleep in the night. So Chuck was sure that the night scenes will be done in the day. And hence the CG work, the computer graphics are only to make it look beautiful. The colors are enhanced.
To create the sense of danger, it's a hidden kind of special effects on this show. For once, the animals are not CGI, because I want kids to see the real animal spirit and not see a cute CGI animal and buy a video game. I want them to see what's really happening socially with a natural herd of elephants and feel that love of nature that's so important part of being a human being.
So, talking of elephants, I wonder if they were auditioned as well.
Of course. I wouldn't say audition. I got to meet a number of elephants because I've had a wonderful time working with animals. I think animals make my human cast members better actors because there's a natural improvisation. In a case like this, because we didn't want trained elephants, we didn't bring Hollywood trainers or Bollywood trainers. We worked only with the mahouts and a natural herd of elephants safely in their environment. That put a little more, put Vidit at a little more risk. So I want people to know, first of all, there's a real relationship there, which is beautiful to see on film. But second of all, that's courage, to be around a tusker that could accidentally harm you. The cowards are the ones that shoot these animals for ivory or for trophies. If they want to show real courage, defend the elephants, get back to nature. You know, this is what you see Vidit do in the film.
So, one question that I've personally wanted to know from so long, and thank God I got a chance to ask.
Anything.
Yeah. So, how challenging it is for a filmmaker to direct a film in a foreign language?
You know, it's a really good question. We've had people like Mel Gibson and Ben Affleck help the Western audiences see that showing other cultures speak their natural language and using a little subtitles can be extremely powerful dramatically. So subtitles aren't just for what we call foreign films. They're for the general audiences now more so. So it's actually more authentic to tell an Indian story in Hindi than to press them into English. And so this was challenging. I wanted to do the best by the Indian audiences and my Indian artists. And we wrote the script in English and then worked with our team from Jungly Pictures, Raghav Dar and his team, translating that and bringing more authenticity to the dialogues. And my cast had to rehearse with me in English, and then finally we shot in Hindi. So it's an amazing process.
So here is my very, very last question. With Digital Maelstrom, would you like to enter in web series as well?
I haven't thought about it, but why not? It's a great platform and it's helping the whole nation. We've got a lot of talent coming into Mumbai and shooting a lot of different content for sure. Why not?
So it was lovely chatting to both of them, and thank you for being with us. All the best for your film, and go and watch Jungly on March 29 for more such amazing content. Please log on. Please do.
It's for kids, families, and for action fans.
Of course. So, and for more such entertaining content, please log on to indiatvnews.com.